I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the worst offenders. Close all tabs you do not need and disable obvious heavy extensions. Open Chrome Task Manager with Shift+S and look for processes using high CPU. Once you identify a tab or extension, note its name so you can reopen or replace it later, then select it and click End Process. Doing this reduces immediate load and isolates the source, which lets you diagnose rather than guess what is causing the spike. Next, you fix configuration causes. Go to Settings Right Arrow System and disable hardware acceleration because some GPUs cause CPU spikes. Restart Chrome to test. Make sure to clear cache and reset site permissions for pages showing problems, since bad scripts can repeatedly run. If the issue persists, create a fresh Chrome profile to rule out profile corruption. This gives you a clean environment without losing user data from the old profile until you confirm results. Finally, you perform advanced cleanup. Run a full malware scan because cryptominers or adware often drive CPU to 100%. If nothing shows, backup bookmarks, uninstall Chrome, remove leftover profile folders, and reinstall the latest Chrome build to eliminate corrupted program files. Make sure to reboot between steps. Troubleshooting tip. If CPU remains high, disable all extensions and test. If that fixes it, re-enable extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.